In this acute triangle, we want to prove sine law. First, we need to draw the height from vertex C to the side AB. Here, the foot is x. First, we focus on the left triangle CAX. So, in this triangle CAX, we know for these angles A its sine ratio equals the opposite side, that is say CX over the hypotenuse CA. So we get this one. We use H to replace CX. We use B to replace AC. Here is B, here is H. And we get this sine ratio for angle A. Now we focus on the right triangle C, B, X, that is say this triangle, and we can get the sine ratio for angle B, still the opposite side CX over the hypotenuse CB. This is hypotenuse, this is opposite side for this angle B. So we get this ratio. Now we replace CX with H, and we use A to replace CB. We get this two ratio. You can find H is in the position of numerator, so we can rearrange this expression like H equals B times sine A. Here, H equals A times sine B. This is the numerator. This quotient times the denominator. Here, H equals this denominator times the quotient. Okay, we get this one and this one. This H is just like a bridge, so we can get this one equals this one. We get B times sine A equals A times sine B. Now we can arrange this equation, so we get sine A over sine B equals A. Go on, sine A equals sine B equals A over B. That is, we put this factor B in the position of denominator. So we get this one. That is, sine A over sine B equals this side over this side. Go on. We can rearrange this equation like this. A over sine A equals B over sine B. That is, we use this numerator over this numerator equals denominator over this denominator. So this is the new equation. Go on. We write this equation here, and now we need to change the height like this. Still the same triangle, but this time we want to draw a new height from another vertex to another side. That you say, this time we draw the new height. Here it is x. So this time the height represented by h. Now we focus on this right triangle. So for this angle C, we write it like this. In right triangle AXC, sine C equals the opposite side, that is AX over hypotenuse, that is AC, equals H over B. In right triangle AXB, we get sine B equals the opposite side AX over hypotenuse AB, that is H over C. Now you will find H. So we get H equals B times sine C. This one, H equals C times sine B. Here we get B times sine C equals C times sine B. Now we arrange this equation. We will get B over sine B equals C over sine C. But you need to know this C is lowercase, this C uppercase, this C represents angle C, this C represents the side AB. Now we get the equation. So compare this equation and this equation. You will find here they are the same. So we take it as the bridge. We can get this one equals this one. So we will get the final conclusion. That is A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. This is so-called sine law.